And then another class did know whatever's in motion stays in motion unless an outside force acts on it. And they wanted to know, how can I distinguish it from the other Newton's laws? So this is just the reason the L column is blank right now. This is where we will enter what we have learned after we've learned it. So at the end of about slide 10 or 11, you will come and write in this column what you have learned. In another class in Newton's First Law, KWL, one student said, what goes up must come down. An object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an outside force. And I think, there we go. I didn't get finished writing that. And the W was, how does it affect me? Hello students, this video is going to explain how to do the KWL. KWL is a really simple way to start directing your thinking toward whatever you're about to learn about and to determine what you already know and get you thinking in the direction of, what do I want to learn about this? So the K stands for know, the W for what you want to know, and the L for what you learn. This is one that one of my classes did. The only thing the class knew about Newton's first law was that maybe it has something to do with gravity. I think somebody maybe was thinking about Newton, the apple falling on Newton's head or whatever. I think that's sort of the lines they were thinking in. And that was really all that I could get from what they already knew about it. So they didn't know a lot about it. And then the W, what you want to know, somebody said, what is it? How's it going to affect me? And why is it a law? Hi students, this video will explain how to do the KWL. The KWL is just a pre-lesson activity that we use sometimes to sort of start directing your thinking, getting you thinking about what you already know about a topic before we start it, and also what you want to know. So you kind of start sort of preparing yourself to learn about the topic. So this has to do with Newton's first law. So our title up here at the top will be Newton's first law. And in the know column, when I ask my classes what they already know about Newton's laws, I got several different things. I got, from some students, I got that it has to do with gravity. I think they were thinking about the apple falling from the tree and hitting Newton on the head. Some students said that something in motion keeps moving. And that was pretty much it. Okay, that was about all anyone knew about that. Then in the want to know column, one student said, what is it? Another student said, how can I distinguish it from the other Newton's laws? Now the L column, you will come back and complete with 2 or 3 bulleted items. After you have finished the lesson, I would say right about after slide 10 of the Google slide presentation on week 2, and you will just write 2 or 3 things that you have learned about Newton's first law.